Okay, so now let's add a map to the project. I don't want the map logic to be within inside of the main app. I want the view controller and the map kit itself to do nothing more than just display the results of what we've got. Right, so we're gonna create an additional framework here, and this is going to be my running app map view. All right, we can embed it in the app, is fine. Put it down to iOS 9. Once again, we're going to need to copy. What was it called? Oh, location manager. Yeah. What did I call it? And my running app map view pod spec. Let's add that to here, because we need to be able to tell CocoaPods what it's going to do with it. All right. Remove that. Have a look at this. Copy this. Paste that there. And I forget it every time. Resources. Pod spec. Source files. I'll come back to it later. Actually, I can find it out how I do it. Got a copy somewhere else of it. Just take me a second to find. This type of stuff I only like writing once, and here maybe. Oh dear. Somewhere. It's got to be it. No, this one's not either. God, yeah. Some websites are so slow. Resources, what I wanted. Okay, good. Okay, so here we go. Now, I can put this in here. And now that's better, so it's just going to search this folder and for assets for these instead. I always forget whether it's an array and so on, but now I've got it. I try not to remember everything. I just try and keep a place where I can just reference it all the time. So let's just call it map view controller. It's easier. And I don't think we even need to have a storyboard actually, do we? There might be buttons on it and so on. Let's do it for now. I just want the view. Having a storyboard would put the complexity inside of. No, we're going to keep it. Going to keep it at the at a view controller level. Yeah, this is what I want. That's extendable. So map view controller. It's going to extend UI view controller. Let's do this, and it's going to have public map view, and this is going to be MK. And we need to import map kit as well. MK map view, and I suppose we can make it lazy as well actually. So, okay, map view frame, we can say 0. Map self dot view dot add map auto translates, or translate whatever to false, and then in this constraints layout constraints activate, do this here, map left anchor constraint tool, self view left anchor, top right bottom right top. That should be fine. So and then what view did load, obviously, and just say map view. Should be alright. I believe, yes. Okay, so let's now add it to our main running app. So we can copy this, put it there, put that there, and also copy this, put this here, and then run pod install. Rebuild it. Come here to the view controller. And we'll say map controller, and we'll make this lazy as well. I love a lazy property. And we called it my map view. We'll call it map controller. I'm going to make this option as well. PC is equal to map controller. That there. Probably gonna want to do something else with it, but that'll do for now. So we'll say map equals self map controller to get the view controller itself, and then view.add subview map view map view.frame equals view.bounds map view.auto something's the indexing sometimes doesn't like it when you auto resizing the view. Oh, David. Auto resizing. It is. Why are you not liking this? Ah, it's better. God, this is so fucking annoying. Excuse my language. Oh, it's, of course, I'm sorry, it's optional. Okay, good. Auto resizing masks equals flexible width, flexible heights, view.add subview map view and map.frame view.bounds, and then add add child map. And let's have a check of this. Right, we're initializing the map view controller here. We're calling the view, which is then going to initiate the view, the map view itself. Adding it. Doing that should work. And there it does work. We have a map. Okay, it should be a bit faster the second time. Say that. Yeah. There we go. All right, so now we have the map, all right? Okay, so now that we have this, let's do a bit of versioning, shall we? Let's have a look at the status first of all. We don't have any derived data in there, which is fine. We want to touch, git ignore, okay. Pods to git ignore as well. That's fine. Pod lock file, yes. Shared data, it's fine. That one's fine. We'll keep shared data. That's all fine. Okay, now we know it's saved, so we're happy. Okay, let's cut this one short. In the next video, let's start plotting the location from the location manager on the map view controller, shall we? Yes.